This is a farm with 500 hectares, amazing property in front of a river. We found this place, nice orientation south, and there started the problems. Hello, I'm Luís Rebelo de Andrade. I was the architect of this house, totally autosufficient, made in Alcácer do Sal, Portugal.
This video is sponsored by Magaster. Check out our new channel by clicking the link and be sure to subscribe.
We produced the design of the house because we had some issues to resolve in the process. When we arrived here, we stopped the car at the entrance. We went by foot, trying to find the best place to put house. Distance from the infrastructures that brings a lot of costs. We started designing an autosufficient house. We drilled the land to pick water. We have a pump to pump water for the house. We have everything in the same system. We had to introduce photovoltaic panels. We wanted that the photovoltaic panels could be part of the skin of the house. The inclination of the roofs are done in function of the panels. We had to orientate the house for the views and at the same time to put the photovoltaic panels in the right position. It was the first time in my life as an architect that I had to design something for a place that's not contaminated with other houses and so on. So it was only me, the land, and the landscape. We decided to make here a point where we could see from everywhere, so we will never get lost to arrive here. We had to add some color. Opposite of the green is the red. As the house is so simple, we decided also to put a primary color, the red. The reference of this color is 3000. It's white house. We call it house 3000 because the reference of the color that we paint the house. Behind me, you have the areas to put technical parts of the house and the farm, with a little room to sleep and a bathroom. If you turn right, you have here 3 solar panels where we can produce hot water for the baths and for the heating of the house. This is the engine of the house, reserve of hot water. We have the batteries that receive the electricity produced by the photovoltaic panels. We have all the rest of machinery to put pumps and so on, to put all the system working. Radiant pavements, heating pump there, and the energy comes from here, from this package of batteries. We have energy generator. They say it's for the party days, where the consumption of the energy in the house is too high, but the system's very autosufficient and doesn't need this for too much days in the year. This is a little apartment with 2 rooms. These are beds for friends of the sons of the owners. They are doing this. Here you can see material of the construction. So everything is in these wood panels. The house is built in CLT, glued timber panels, that could guarantee also a very good thermic envelope, so we didn't need to produce too much energy. With a very intelligent and sophisticated system of ventilation, because we're gonna pick up the air where is cooler or where is hotter in function of the needs of the house. In the summer we can have here 40 degrees. We had to have a system that could work without air condition. We worked with the University of Aveiro. This works very, very well. We are very happy with the result. Now we are going to the house. We go in a house. Here we have an area. It's prepared to be the office of the owner, so he can receive people in this space. Here we have the ventilation system that picks up the air from wherever it's better for us. And then we have storage and electrical areas. We can control here all the temperature of the house. The stairs for the first floor. and a passage to the kitchen. We also have the main window, and then you can close. It was a problem to do enough stronger to this heavy door to work well. And then after we found the color of the house, the company that produced all this stuff for the toilet painted all the toilet in red. We didn't want a window with a lot of cuts, so this big window, and so we created a problem that was how do I close this pickup, and with this we can close this panel, and it was the way that we had to close and open. The kitchen have everything hidden. You have refrigerators, you have everything, and then after dining or something, or if the owner of house is in a meeting with someone, and the rest of the family are here, we can close this and get privacy. We also can close the house in the end of the day, and upstairs do the same. Here where we have this corridor, all this storage, and here we're gonna find 2 sleeping rooms, storage, bed, view, and then a second room, same style, with this common bathroom, everything in white except the toilet in red. And then I'm going to show you the other 2 rooms, a room for a couple with storage and with his own bathroom with link to the kitchen, and then the master suite in the top of the house with his storage, bathroom, and the main room. So in the end we have 4 rooms, 2 of them with a common bathroom, and the other 2, each one with his bathroom, and that's it. First of all, to have something sustainable is to invest a lot in insulation. The most important for me is to don't need energy. To get lower energy necessity, we must make a very, very good thermal envelope in the project. And then understand what's the best in the region to produce the rest of the energy that we need to control the temperature and so on. DNA of places are totally different, so sometimes I use the photovoltaic panels, other times hydrothermic solutions. We try to put here system also with wind, but it's very noisy. So we must use other technologies to achieve sustainability and a low use of energy. The characteristics of the place, we profit to use them in our benefit.
Thanks for watching this week's episode. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. And I wanted to let you know, if you haven't heard, that we started a second channel. So if you're interested in seeing more of what we've made, things along the lines of adventure, travel, philosophy, click the link in the description below, or click this link right here with my face on it and check out our new channel, Dylan Magaster. And if you enjoy it, consider subscribing. So big love. Have a great week.